Hello and welcome back for another Quant price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis and also give you my next price targets. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Quant is holding above a key area of support at around the $100.3 mark, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. And this is a significant area of support that can help us continue gearing up and see a break above our next key area of resistance at around the $106.5 mark. And a break above that, we can watch out for a successful retest before we can continue gearing up and see a break above the $110.9 mark, which is our next key area of resistance. Quant has also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, and if I zoom out on the 4-hour chart to give you my Elliot wave analysis, you can see that Quant, after giving us a bear market low at around the $40.1 mark, we saw a 5-wave move to the upside, having the wave 5 giving us a high at around the $229 mark, completing the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 1. Then we started breaking down in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area. And this is a target area that I came up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, and that gave me a minimum retracement area for that second wave between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78, which lies between the $134.1 mark and the $80.1 mark, which is an area that you have almost fully maximized, getting a low at around the $94.3 mark. And there are two possible scenarios that I've been tracking here on the Quant chart. The first one is that there are high chances that Quant has been able to put in place the low for this second wave at around the $94.3 mark. And if that is the low for this second wave, then soon I'm expecting Quant to give us a very impulsive move to the upside in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 3, and giving you minimum target areas for that larger Elliot wave count 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That now gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the Fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $398.3 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect Quant to do in the formation of that wave 3. And for us to get back into that impulsive move here on the charts, I'll be expecting Quant to give us a complete 5-wave move here on the charts, followed by an ABC corrective structure before we can continue gearing up, and also see a break above significant highs here on the charts, like the high for this wave B at around the $165.2 mark. The moment we manage to break above significant highs and also see a complete 5-wave move to the upside, followed by an ABC corrective structure, that will be enough confirmation that the low for this second wave is in. And as long as Quant is holding below significant areas of resistances, and if by any chance we continue seeing further breakdown, we still have the risk of getting one more new low in the formation of these higher Elliot wave count 2 within this red target area, where in case we see further breakdown losing the $100.3 mark, which is acting as support, maybe at some point we also lose the $97.3 mark, then we can expect Quant to get back into the $80-point-something range before we can see that massive bounce to the upside in the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 3. So those are the two possible scenarios that we need to have in mind here on the Quant chart. And also have in mind that yesterday we had a massive breakout. That is, overnight we had a massive breakout on the BTC chart, and we are not seeing any movements here on the Quant chart. So I hope soon it's also going to give us a massive breakout and also possibly give us a 5-wave move to the upside, followed by an ABC corrective structure. Once you see such a move, that will be enough confirmation that the low is in and the start of an impulse has now started, and also decrease the chances of giving us one more new low in the formation of that higher Elliott wave count 2. On the indicators, on the RSI, we are trading at around the 50 mark. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.